Hi everyone and happy Tuesday. In this video I'm going to show you what you've got going on for Tuesday, May 12th. So again, we're in the May 11 to May 15 folder. I'm underlining it. So I've got the Tuesday, May 12 folder already expanded and open. What you're going to do first are the math assignments. So it's got the number 1 next to it and I'm underlining that. After you finish your math assignments, then you're moving into the Pebble Go Next scavenger hunt. So I noticed a lot of people did not complete this assignment last week or need to double check some of their answers to some of the questions. Whatever the case may be, you're going to make sure that you go into this link. That's going to take you to your Google Drive, and then your document will be in there for you. If you're someone who's already completed everything for number 2 and you didn't get a message from me telling you that you need to double check your work, or I didn't tell you that you need to do the assignment, then you're ready to move on to number 3. So once number 2 is done, number 3 is you working on your Pennsylvania project. That's the one with the Google Slides. So this is going to take you to your Google Drive again, and you're going to be able to access the slides that I'm sharing with you only if you've chosen your topic and chosen your specific place or areas of focus. If you did not choose your place or your area of focus, then I'm not sharing the slides with you yet because you still have other jobs to do before I can give you the slides. So please make sure you check your messages and respond to me about the project. Okay, we're going to work on the project for the rest of the school year. We'll work on the scavenger hunt for the rest of the school year as well. So after you've done your scavenger hunt and you've worked on your project for a little bit, you can move into the PE gym assignment. So that's number 4. Again, if you see your name anywhere on the page for that day's folder, make sure you take care of that day's jobs. Now, once you've finished everything, including your ELL, band orchestra, MTSS, and Mrs. Diggins assignments, check Senko's feed, do your typing practice, you can do the optional activities, and also I'm going to scroll up. Make sure you check out Miss Checo's, Mrs. Hensel's, and the nurses groups. So they've got information for you there, and there's also information coming from them through the feed. So I'm going to click out of this. If you have questions about anything, come to the chat. It's open during the day, or send me a message. Thanks, and I'll talk to you later.